we're gonna make a volcano. And be careful, it's a big eruption, but do not touch it at all. And if you touch it, that's bad. It's bad for your dogs or pets, whatever you have. And that's my dog Bo. It's just like that. He wants to see this. And it's like an explosion. Now let's get into it. Guys, we're going to use my teal food color. And it's my favorite color. Now we're going to put a drop in.
Apple cider and red wine.
Wow! It's so pretty! Now it's time to scoop the baking soda. Wow.
Oh, keep going, keep going. It's working.
It's working.
Oh, do another one.
Oh.
Do another one, do another one.
It's working.
One more. It's going. It's getting to the top. Let's see if we can overflow it. Keep going. Keep going until it flows all the way to the top.
It's going to do it by itself. Okay, now it's getting down.
Okay, good. Stop.
I'm using
You're gonna add the whole bottle.
Yeah. Whoa.
It's working. I want to touch it.
Don't touch. You said don't touch it.